Most people told us this house was beyond saving, but we decided to rebuild it with our own hands. Yesterday we cut through the old floor to change the layout of the house. The rooms were too small, so we're moving the walls and creating a new space. Today is a big step. We're pouring the base for a new wall. My husband is building everything himself, piece by piece, turning this old house into our dream home. Follow our journey and watch this 100-year-old house come back to life. Would you renovate a house like this or build a new one instead?